Kogodoyang road maintenance te thakia nimide temporary ban thakibo koigina janai dia ase. Idu samay de public khan ke dusra rasta Yashodo Lomi KPA Kitsaketa para ahaja kuribi koigina janai gina ase. ULB election nimide polling personnel laga first phase of training Kohima Municipal Council Chipabozo aro Wokhate June 14 te hoishe koigina janai dia ase. Deputy Commissioner Peren pra 2 din skill training program inaugurate kurishe. Futsero Town Council election observer pra administration, police, government official aro public leaders logote miligina coordination meeting ADC conference hall te kurishe koigina janai ase. Mon aro Peren de district planning and development board meeting June 14 de rakishe koigina janai ase. Guwahati High Court Kohima bench pra online e-service portal banaishe koigina janibole pai ase. Assam laga Kaziranga te section 144 impose hua laga khobor pai ase. Assam Bohaghat te ekta tiger birai thaka dikhi she kuise. Itu nimite manu khan bhoi pra bahar na ola laga kotha bi hunibole pai ase. Etia tak tiger jongol te wapas jaise na nai. Itu laga eku khobor rakhigina nai. Iduke dhyan de rakhigina section 144 impose kurishe. Section 144 impose kuriya laga matlab eku emergency na thagishe goile ghor pra na olabi koigina ase. Tiger ke bisariya laga operation etiabi jari ase koigina janai dia ase. Manipur laga Jeribram district te police check post aro ghor jolai dia laga khobor apni khan ke poila pra janai gina ase. Aro ekta khobor de moi khan janibole pai ase ki Jeribram district te duita ghor aro Chandel te duita BRTF laga bus jolai dia laga khobor pai ase. Officials pra kwa hisab te etu duita ghor metai manu khan laga thagishe. Meghalaya Jaintia Hills district laga ekta police station te ekta manu logote Bangladeshi ID pa nimite police custody te rakishe kuise. Mizoram te African swine fever bimar pra April pra loikine etia tak 1900 gahuri murija laga khobor pai ase. Etu nimite Mizoram gahuri businessman khan bishi digdarte ase koigina bi moi khan hunibole pai ase. Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department pra Aizol, Champhai, Longlai, Saitol and Kozol aro Cherchip district te gahuri khan laga dhyan rakhibole janai gina ase. Sikkim laga khobor pai thaka de Sikkim laga Mangan district te landslide hua pra ekta manu muria aro pasta manu missing ase koigina janai dia ase. Khobor laga hisab te more than 1200 tourists aro 15 foreigners landslide te phasise. Itu landslide nimite rasta block hoigina ase. Aro ghor khan bishi bhangaise koigina janai dia ase. Etia tak ekta manu muria laga khobor pai ase hoilebi aro manubi murikina thakibo pare koigina bi janai dia ase. Missing manu khan karne search operation etiabi jari ase. Food Minister Sushanta Chaudhary pra kwa hisab te Tripura laga hospital se khun laga shortage hoigina ase. Khun bishi kumti ase aro demand bishi ase koigina janibole bi pai ase. Itu nimide Agartala sector laga 18 battalion pra ekta blood donation camp organize kurishe aro agetibi kuri thakibo koigina janai ase. Minister Chaudhary pra Agartala battalion ke taikhan laga modot karne thanks janaishe aro taikhan pra efforts dia nimite bishi khushi ase koshe. Arunachal Pradesh laga kotha guise koile Arunachal laga MLA Khan pra next CM appoint Korea meeting nimide BJP pra Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad aro National General Secretary ke Central Observer appoint kurigina ase. Taijon itu meeting ke observe kuribole appoint kurishe. Taijon Itanagar de June 19 de ahibo koigina janibole pai ase. Sources laga hisab te Chief Minister Pema Khandu CM post continue kuribo pare koigina janai dia ase. Aji karne imani news aro updates pai thakibole sai thakibi Nagaland TV.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.